Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips video on whether you can see who is following your Spotify playlist. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. On your Spotify profile, it is possible to see how many followers you have, and if you tap on followers, you can see who your followers are. Under playlists, you can see how many followers are following each of your playlists. But if you want to know who is following the playlist, Spotify will not allow you to see this information. You can only see how many people are following each playlist. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Spotify tips and tricks.